In today's video, we're going to be connecting FuseWP to your email marketing services and CRMs using FuseWP. So based on our example, when someone enrolls in a course, they could be placed in a specific list, segment, or group. I'm going to be using MailerLite for this example. So here we can see that I have 3 different groups for my subscribers. So we'll be using LMS enrolled for anyone who signs up or enrolls in our course. First off, we'll need to go to FuseWP settings to ensure that our integration is all set up properly. In this case, I have 3 different email marketing services connected. However, I'm using MailerLite, but you can use any other integration that is listed on this page. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I'll also show you that I already have a course created in Tutor LMS. If we go to courses, we'll see that we have this Introduction to Digital Marketing course. We'll use it for this demonstration. Let's start by going to FuseWP, then User Sync. And on this page, we just want to click on Add Sync Rule. Next, we'll need to select a source, which is Tutor LMS courses. And once that is added, we can select a source item. It could be any or Introduction to Digital Marketing if you want to use a specific course. Now we'll need to add a destination. We'll select an enrollment status, which will be any enrollment status, enrolled or unenrolled. Let's use enrolled. Let's also select our integration, which is MailerLite. And next, we'll need to select our group. Let's use LMS enrolled. And once that is done, we'll see options to map our fields. So we can basically map MailerLite fields to Tutor LMS fields. In this case, we can add another one, and let's say we wanted to map a phone number. We can select phone number on this list here and the corresponding field for MailerLite. All right, so we're done with our setup. If you want to, you can always add another destination. It's as simple as clicking on Add Destination once again. And this time, for example, we can use unenrolled. We can use either the same or a different integration. Once again, we'll need to select a group. This time we can use LMS unenrolled. We'll skip mapping for this one, and we'll just go ahead and save our changes. Once we've saved our changes, we can go ahead and test things out. So in an incognito window, I'm going to go ahead and visit our courses page. So it's supposed to be our website URL/courses. And here we have our Introduction to Digital Marketing course. Let's enroll. Now we'll need to register, so I'm just going to jump forward and do this off screen, but keep the email address in mind. We'll register. And once we have, we'll see an option to enroll again, and this time it should work. So let's click on Enroll Course. And now we're in. So an actual student would click on Start Learning and go through the different lessons and mark them as complete. But what we really want to capture is the enrollment event. So let's see if this was successful. If it was, we should be in the LMS enrolled group in MailerLite. So let's go ahead and click on MailerLite. And right now we can see that we still have 2 subscribers. We'll refresh. And in case it doesn't show up right away, we'll just need to refresh until it does. Now we can see that we have 3 subscribers. And if we view the group, we'll see the email address that we used to sign up. Okay, so this is how you connect Tutor LMS to your email marketing services and CRMs using FuseWP. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.